never fails. As soon as I press record, I can't script that in. Do you hear the garbage truck? Mm-hmm.
Never mind, I'm just trying to film the video here.
I'm gonna take advantage and not delete this clip right here. Why? Because I had no time to make a proper introduction after that garbage truck debacle. Oh, trust me, I tried to wait for the garbage truck to go by, but then the recycling one came by. Anywho, hello! You're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisperer, and you're watching a lifestyle channel. If thrifting is something that you love to do the way I do, I'm gonna share with you in this video how I use my thrifted finds and how I stage them. So stay tuned. I love the colors in that canvas, so I am going to put some wood pieces around it to kind of, you know, elevate it without having to go broke. That vase right there I purchased from the previous owner of this home. Even the driftwood I got at a yard sale for like about 50 cents a piece, $1 a piece. I have a recent thrift home decor haul that I featured that round mirror there. I got it at Goodwill, just where the same place where I got that lantern there. That's right. And I got that frame that you see right there, that turquoise wood one. I got that at Goodwill as well. You see, it just all ties together beautifully. That lamp I already had. All the things. Do we see? Do we see? Do we like? I love that. Oh, for shame, for shame. Remember, I said that I am purging. I got rid of furniture. I got rid of furniture, and now I have some other things that I have to put together there. And I'm purging all of that. Yes, all of those bins I'm purging, and then I'm taking them to the garage. Speaking of thrifting, that hutch that you see right there, that's also thrifted, and I refinished it. And a lot of the pieces in there are also thrifted. I refinished it and I absolutely love it. So all of this that you see right here, I'm donating. The hats that you see back there is because those are hat boxes, and I have more on that side and I have to put those away. Not the most practical situation right now, but that's what I have. So, yep. Can't believe that I'm showing you this. Well, now that I've shown you all of this, now I have to challenge myself to get this done as soon as possible. And you see, I'll do it. Why? Because now I know you guys know, and you're holding me accountable. By the way, this whole table set right here, we bought it from the previous owner of this house too. So in a way, that was thrifted as well. These are also in my last thrift haul from Goodwill. Aren't these gorgeous? These are real wood. I absolutely think these are fabulous and go with the aesthetic of my home. Love that. Absolutely beautiful. I paid $4.98 a piece at Goodwill. This chair I thrifted for $10. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the finish or the patina on it. Oh, what's that? Get over there. And you don't sit this way. I think you sit facing that way. It's maybe a prayer desk of sorts. I don't know. I use it close to the entrance because in case we need to sit down and adjust our shoes or put our shoes on or what have you, we can sit right there. It's a beautiful piece. Absolutely like it a lot. And it goes with these pieces right here. And this is what that piece looks like up close and personal. That shoe situation I don't like, but it's the best thing that I can do for now because all of this is going to be going away in the near future, and I have something else that I'm doing for this area because this is a very big foyer and I can do that. I like that. See, I like the arches there, and those two sconces, those two wood sconces look so nice there. This wax warmer originally comes from Home Goods, and I've seen this before at Home Goods and at places like TJ Maxx. And I love elephants, and it fits the color and aesthetic of my home. My home is very travel, eclectic, and I want to say maybe a little Spanish, rustic elegance with a little hacienda thrown in there. Anywho, I paid at Goodwill $4.98 for this piece when I saw it originally for, I believe the ticket said $14.99. Yeah, I got it for a deal, of a steal. And those succulents that you see, I DIY those myself. This piece right here is in my coffee station or my hot beverage station, whatever you like to call it. This is, I believe, by Better Homes and Garden. It's a solid wood piece. It's a wine rack. However, I'm using it to house my Monin syrups and things, and I like how it fits the aesthetic of my home. This is what I'm saying. Form, function, and aesthetic. Even this table I purchased from the previous owners of this home. So I consider this to be a thrifted or secondhand piece as well. Isn't that pretty? I like it. Now, moving on to, I'm not pointing at the ceramic pot, the bean pot. I'm pointing at the picture that is right back there. That picture I also purchased at the Goodwill, brand spanking new, for $5.98. Thank you very much. That picture frame I purchased, I think it was $6.98 at the Goodwill. It is from Pier 1 Import. It is absolutely beautiful, very heavy piece. I love layering. Do you see what you can do? Just try to figure out what your aesthetic is and have a beautiful, intentional vignette of the things that you've thrifted and you can use, that is aesthetic, fits your decor. Even this hutch I thrifted from a yard sale. It's a beautiful mid-century piece. I absolutely love it. Also, I thrifted some of those cigar boxes just because I like cigar boxes. I like where they come from Cuba, Dominican Republic, all the different places, Colombia. Absolutely beautiful. All those glasses, well, not all the glasses, but the glasses that I'm pointing to right now, those are beautiful crystal pieces. I thrifted those at another thrift store in Tampa. I paid like 50 cents a piece for some of those. Oh my goodness, those turquoise wine glasses I also thrifted. I love what you can do thrifting. You're keeping things out of the landfill. Now, don't fill your house with garbage. But, look around for what you need. I keep a list of the things that I need, and as I purchase them, I check them off, and I have to remove either 1 to 3 pieces from my home. This way, I avoid the clutter. Those ceramic vases that you see housing this beautiful orchid, I got from the Goodwill, brand spanking new, for $2.99 a piece. The crystal candle holders, those are thrifted as well. Let me take my shoes off. This table, I got it on Facebook Marketplace. I still consider that to be thrifted, even though it's not at a thrift store, but it's bought secondhand. This vase, it's so beautiful. I think that this is also by Murano Glass. I got this years ago for $5. I think it's absolutely beautiful. That is also thrifted. Let me see what else. Nope, nothing else here is thrifted. Now, I do have a few more pieces that I'm going to show you in my living room. Hold on. Do y'all see me? Oh, hello. So, isn't this a beautiful piece? I told y'all I love turquoise. This is another piece. This piece right here is Japanese as well. My sister gifted this to me as an heirloom piece. This vase, oh my goodness, this is thrifted. I got this for, I think it was, I want to say either $2 or $5 at a garage sale. This is a beautiful Murano glass as well, absolutely beautiful. And I just did this peacock arrangement in there. My mother used to like peacock feathers, and I think that's where I get that from. See, you just mix in your thrifted pieces, put them on a pedestal, and it just elevates the whole look. I love this whole look right here. It's travel, it's us, it's my aesthetic, it fits my color palette, and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think of this arrangement right here. By the way, I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but because of the fact that I live in Florida, I have a little ode to Florida with some seashells that my family and I collected the first couple of years of being here in Florida. I can see it and the rest of my family can see it, and it's just cute little memories. If nobody else knows, we know.
Cause I'm a sap like that.
That little chair I thrifted And that vase I also thrifted at the same Goodwill, but that was a while ago. That's a handmade piece. I love me some terracotta mixed in with the rest of my decor. That other vase that you see in front of it, that little one, I thrifted that, I think in South Carolina with my daughter as well. I love that. And it goes beautifully with the Japanese pottery that I have going on this side. Those weren't thrifted. Those are handcrafted and they're beautiful. But I think that it goes with the whole aesthetic. Now, what they are sitting on, this piece right here, this is a model home piece. It was handmade. Somebody purchased it off of Facebook Marketplace. They no longer needed it, wanted it. And I got it. For I think it was $100 or $120. This thing is so beautiful. It's handcrafted, and when we looked it up, it was well over. It was a couple of $1,000s. Let's just put it that way. Isn't it beautiful? Love that. This ceramic colander, I featured it in my last Goodwill haul, or I should say my most recent Goodwill haul. You can see those items in the playlist. I think I have a playlist that's thrifted goodness or something like that, and then I also have on hauls. You might find it on both of them actually. I think I paid $4.98 for that piece. And focus camera, let me be great. I will end you. Okay, those plates that you see there, or I should say the plate that you see there, I bought those at an estate sale, which I also consider secondhand, so I'm featuring it here. It's part of the whole shtick. I love the fact that I converted this bookshelf or this bookcase into my apothecary and food preservation type station. But I just want to show you that I have a few vintage pieces that I thrifted. That red cookbook right there, it's, I believe, a Mexican cooking cookbook, and it is authentic vintage. I thrifted that. That amber colored jug you see there, that's also thrifted. Love that. The succulent that you see there's brand new, that's thrifted from Goodwill. And then the other pieces I got from other thrift stores and garage sales and estate sales and things like that. And here I'm showing you the other plate, which was absolutely beautiful. I really, really like these. I think these are called transferware or something like that. Do we see the beautiful tile? This is going to go all over the wall. We've decided to, rather than just stack it up, we're going to do it mixed pattern or hatch pattern, whatever. And these have served me well. These placemats, they're still holding on strong. I ain't going to hate on them, but this is going to be done really soon. I'm so happy. Yay! Everything is coming together in our home. Being able to put our personal stamp on this home feels great. Do you see what I meant about using the things that you use every day as decor as well? This little terracotta dish or bowl, I put the garlic there. I use my Spanish smoked paprika. I tend to use that quite a bit. In your beans, oh my goodness, just a pinch. Delicious. And lots of garlic, which I have right there, absolutely amazing. And then I have achote seed, which I ground up and I use to make some of my own home sazon seasoning and to color other things as well, or make achote oil with garlic in it. There's so many people that have so many different recipes on YouTube. You can look that up. And I have my little spoons right there. That is an Indian spice box. That's right, you heard it here first. It's an Indian spice box. I love the colors of that. Well, hello, now I'm taking you to my body Adi central space. That picture back there, I did not bother to reframe it because it is absolutely beautiful. It's a heavy piece. That is a hand-drawn piece back there. I thrifted that for the grand total of, are you ready for it? $1 with military discount on top of that. I think I got it for like 75 cents. Absolutely beautiful. It goes with the shell that we found. I believe my daughter found that for me in Okinawa, and it just goes beautifully with that. I placed the Dollar Tree placemats on top of my table so that I don't ruin the wood, because this is my body care station. This is where I put all the body tanners and the lotions and the potions and the oils and the gua sha. The apothecary jar that you saw there, that's thrifted. The glass that contains this lavender is thrifted. Now I'm bringing you over to my water closet. Why do I call it a water closet? I'm glad you asked, because I lived in England for a couple of years and it's stuck, okay? So that's what I call it. The picture that you see back there, I repurposed that. I'm going to give you a little tip. If you have artwork that you want to update, you can simply paint over it, repaint whatever you want, or attach a plastic placemat that has some texture to it, the way I did right there. Now that vase is thrifted, and so is the apothecary jar. I stuck some toilet paper in there. Just think outside the box. Welcome to my closet. This is my most girliest space. That picture is thrifted. Where? Say it with me. At the Willy Wheel. It has texture on the bottom with tulle. I only paid, I think, was $4.98 for that. This bench is also thrifted. Well, I got it at a yard sale. I consider that, things that are secondhand, thrifted, estate sale, all the things thrifted. So that's why I'm featuring it. Isn't that pretty? It goes with the aesthetic of my closet. My closet reminds me of a little atelier, if you will. That's what my story, and I'm sticking to it. Well, in my head, that's what it looks like. This desk I purchased at a yard sale for $10. It is solid wood. This honker is so heavy. I changed out the knobs. I didn't even bother painting it because I liked the chippiness of it and the vintage look. It lended itself to my atelier aesthetique. I purchased a faux marble tile from Lowe's and I put it on top of my desk just to protect it. That striped scarf that you see tied around my chair, that's also thrifted. I like using things that you use in real life as decor. It saves you time, saves you money. It's also unique. Sugar cookies, I did not get the opportunity because of the beginning debacle there with the garbage trucks and things and all the noise. I didn't get to film an outro. If you like this kind of video, you like this kind of content, you found some value in it, a chuckle, a laugh or two, smash that subscribe button. I love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Comment below and let me know which one of these thrifted pieces you liked or how I staged it. Would you stage it any differently? What would you use those pieces for? Give me some ideas. I like to know. Post your notification bell, the ding 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 dong bell, and don't forget to select all or turn on your notifications and select all.
This way YouTube lets you know about my videos.
Share my videos, that helps my channel out. Donate me some thumbs up. And as I say around here, be blessed, not too stressed, and I will see you in the next lifestyle moment. Look at that. See, look, I hung up a sequence top there and it bada bing bada boom decor. That's the way Cookie does it. Or I can do that with Cookie. You still here? Hi. Come on, let's go. Drive on by. Yeah. Drive on by. Adios. Thank you so much. Sheesh. Don't back up. Please don't back up.
I get no respect. What is going on?
Thank you so much. Thank you, Environmental Services. Appreciate it. Now they're parking and backing up right in front of my window. Go ahead, do your thing. That's right. Help us keep the environment clean. Must you do it exactly when I'm doing the video, though?
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.